So friends, welcome back to vocab series. So here we are going to discuss the top 10 words from the Hindu editorial from the date of 24th February 2022. Okay, so the first word is endorsement. 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 Endorsements means the actions of endorsing someone or something. Okay, the actions of endorsing someone or something is called endorsements, and the synonyms of endorsements are support, backing, approvals, agreements, acceptance, recommendations, confirmations, license. These all are the synonyms of endorsements. Okay, next, meticulous. 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 Meticulous means showing great attention to details or very careful and precise. It's called meticulous. 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 And the synonyms of meticulous are careful, conscientious, 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 diligence, accurate, rigorous, details, correct, thorough, studious. These all are the synonyms of meticulous, and the meaning of meticulous is showing great attention to details, and that is very careful and precise. In that sense we use meticulous. Okay, so the next word is decimate. 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 Decimate means kill, destroy, or move a large proportions of something. Remove a large portions of something. Okay, decimate means kill, destroy, or remove a large proportions of something. It's called decimate. DECIMATE. Decimates. Okay, next, cognizant. 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 Cognizant means having a knowledge or awareness. Having knowledge or awareness is called cognizance. COGNIZANT. Cognizance. And the synonym of cognizance are aware, conscious, apprised, APPRISD, apprised, abreast, ABREAST, abreast. These all are synonyms of cognizance. COGNIZANT. Cognizance. Next, incongruous. 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 Incongruous means not in harmony or keeping with a surrounding or other aspect of something. Okay, incongruous means not in harmony or keeping with the surrounding or other aspects of something is called incongruous. And the synonyms of incongruous are out of place, out of keeping, inappropriate, unsuitable, unsuited, discordant, conflicting, clashing. These all are the synonyms of congruous. Incongruous. 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 Okay, next, steamy. STYMIE. Steamy. Steamy means prevent or hinder the progress of something. Steamy means prevent or hinder the progress of something is called steamy. STYMIE. Steamy. And the synonyms of steamy are impede, hamper, hinder, obstruct, inhibit, frustrate, spoil, stop, block, cripple. These all are the synonyms of steamy. STYMIE. Steamy. Next, accentuate. 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 Accentuate means make more noticeable or prominent. ACCENTUATE. Accentuate means make more noticeable or prominent. It's called accentuate. And the synonyms of accentuates are point of, underline, underscores, accents, highlights, spotlights, foregrounds, features. All are the synonyms of accentuate. ACCENTUATE. Accentuates. Next, tacit. 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 Tacit means understood or implied without being stated. Understood or implied without being stated is called tacit. TACIT. Tacids. And the synonyms of tacids are implicit, understood, implied, inferred, hinted, suggested, unspoken, unstated, undeclared, unsaid, unexpressed. These all are the synonyms of tacids. TACIT. Tacids. Okay, next, testimony. TESTIMONY. Testimony means a formal written or spoken statements, especially one given in a court of law. Okay, testimony means a formal written or spoken statements, especially one given in a court of law. And the synonyms of testimony are evidence, attestations, attestations, affidavit, statements, declarations, assertions, affirmations, claims, Okay, these are the synonyms of testimony. testimony, testimony. Next, strive, strive, strive. Strive means make great efforts to achieve or obtain something. It's called strive, strive, strive. And the synonyms of strive are try hard, attempt, endeavors, aims, aspires, ventures, undertakes. Okay.